To the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Jamaican Bulla cake. What is a Jamaican Bulla cake? Jamaican Bulla cake is a simple grab and go cake. It's a bit dense. It's not moist, a bit dry, but tasty. You can have it with avocado. Same thing as pear. We call it pear in the Caribbean. Bit of cheese, bit of butter. So I'll take you through the process. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome and I'm happy to have you guys. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment to get more contents like this. Stay tuned. Let us go into the video. So to make this, I have a flour here. Have some nutmeg, some mixed spice inside here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, in the flour, I'm gonna add a bit of bicarbonate. Remember, you cannot put too much in this, otherwise it's gonna get bitter on you. So we're gonna add cinnamon and the rest of spice into this. So inside here, I have sugar. I'm gonna add some water to this. You can use brown sugar if you want. So in this, I'm gonna tap a little bit of browning inside this. I'm gonna add some vanilla in. And you also wanna get some nutmeg in this. So I'm gonna add some melt butter in this. What I'm gonna do, one of the secret is to dissolve your sugar first. So it's like you're making a syrup. So at this point, I'm gonna use my mixer because it's much faster. You can use your hand, but it takes longer. It's all about smarter, not harder. So at this point, I'm gonna add my flour in. So I'll be using a hook for this one. As you can see, it's coming together. So now it's out the oven. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll it out and cut it, sprinkle some flour here. Now it depends on how thick you want this, and also the size bulla you want. But that should be alright. So with this, you can cut them in the whatever shape you think you like it. So me, I'm okay with this shape. So for this shape, I'm good with this. So the rest of the dough here, it's a very flexible dough. Just take it, fold it back in again, and knead it together. And then we're gonna roll it again. Very easy to work with. a little bit more flour over it. So out of this mixture, I get 6 of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some grease paper on a tray and put it in the oven. Now, the next thing you can do, but this is personal, you don't have to. I'm just going to brush the top of it with a bit of egg. You don't have to, as I said. It's personal. If you're working into a factory, like I used to work into a factory once when I was younger, you can't use egg in it, or they don't use egg in it. But, you know, for the purpose of this home video, I can, because I'm the one going to eat these. So you can just brush it, give it a bit of sheen and color when it bake. If this video of any help to you guys, please do remember to like, share, subscribe. Definitely leave some positive comment. So to bake this, you preheat your oven, put it about 150, and make sure you watch it and take time to rotate it while it's in the oven. Stay tuned, guys. So now, as you can see, they're just coming out of the oven. Looking lovely. Very nice texture. So I'm gonna break one and let you see how inside of it look. Look at that. Still warm. Nice, lovely color. Lovely texture. And tastes good also. As I said before, you just need some butter or avocado. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.